All right, so Valentine's connecting the 1-inch poly. We buy hundreds of feet of poly pipe. In Michigan, the sprinkler systems are all made out of poly pipe. That way, during the freeze and thaw cycle, this stuff's very flexible. It can move around. I know that the southern climate, you guys use a lot of PVC. We can't do that here. And he's using the stainless steel crimp clamps. And he's running a brand new piece. Guys, this is really important because when you catch this with a shovel and it collapses a little bit, you've kind of compromised the system. You don't want to have 5 or 6 sprinkler heads on a zone, and then now you're restricting the flow of water. You're going to get a call, and you're going to have to come back, and you're going to have to figure out where the line was at. You're going to take your system apart. You don't want to have to go through all that. So just replace that line. It's super, super easy. You just, keep some 1-inch stainless steel crimp clamps, keep some 3/4 inch, and keep some 1/2 inch. And then equally so, you want all those couplers. So what you're going to burn through mostly is couplers and crimp clamps, and then just have rolls of pipe. And the guys that don't do this, you're the guys that are sending your crew and your foreman to Home Depot and Lowe's 6 or 7 times. Guess what? You just cost yourself a lot of money. You could have been buying these parts in bulk from one of the suppliers like Ewing Irrigation or Site One. And look at this, I love this. So all the water in this pipe moves just through the pipe, into this pipe, and down. So it's raining and it's pouring, and all the water's coming off this giant, beautiful, God, I love that. Gorgeous. It's beautiful. Outdoor living space. Very nice, very nice. So when it's raining, there's a lot of water coming down here. It's no wonder they got a problem with how wet everything is through here. That water is just going to go into these blue pipes with those big cutout windows. It's just going to flow right through these pipes. And both these pipes are going to move water. So we got one teed, and the water just moves right through these pipes. We want to build a reservoir, and it's a big void. This is really important if you have small aggregate and you can't get the big round rock. You create your own giant voids. It takes ridiculous sizes of rock to move the kind of water that 2 high octane. And now think about this, guys. Now you have bigger voids than you would if you had just one pipe and all aggregate. Now you're buying more rock. How much does rock cost? Man, this stuff is crazy money now, isn't it? It's nuts. I remember when they used to give the shit away. Okay, so you put a couple of these pipes in, and now you just cut down on how much stone you have to purchase and how much stone you got to bring, into a backyard yard drain situation like we have here. Here's some of the Baughman Tile Company. They're end plugs. We like these. They don't catch on anything. They don't get knocked off like the caps do. So we're exclusively just going to end plugs and getting away from the end caps. All right, guys. Till the next video.